Warning, the following contains actions performed by idiots. What you're about to view should not be taken as factual or educational. For further questions, please refer to your Google. What's up, guys? So I'm rushing right now, and I thought of this last minute. I'm going to be hydrodipping this big dirt bike tank and two little plastics. So those are the plastics, that and that. So as you can tell, I've already prepped them, cleaned them, sprayed adhesion promoter, and primed them. So what I'm doing right now is sanding the primer, throw it in the booth. We're gonna do graphics not in here. You'll see it in a minute. So I'm gonna do this this real light silver base coat, and then an anodized red, which is that. Sorry, I'm rushing like crazy. I have like 40 minutes to do all this, and it should normally take like 2.5 hours. So we're gonna do that red, and then there's a marble graphic that I haven't done yet, and it should look pretty sweet. So I'm gonna sand these, throw them in the booth, spray them, pray they dry really fast, cut the film while those are drying, get the tank ready, dip them. So this will be a normal like 5-minute hydro dip video, but it's happening a lot faster than it normally does. So that's what I'm doing. That's what you're about to see. Here we go. All right, guys, they are done. We've only been sitting for about 10 minutes, but the floors are all wet, so we shouldn't get any dust walking around. They look really cool. I like that graphic a lot, especially with that red. I think we might be doing that on the Jeep Vet, maybe a different color, but I like it a lot. So I got most of the texture out right there that I was telling you about. Some of it's still there. A little bit of orange peel on the sides. I mean, that's pretty straight up and down. It's really hard to clear something like that without running it. So there's a little tiny bit of orange peel, but overall it laid pretty well. That side looks pretty good. Little tiny bit, you can see the reflection there, but not bad. I mean, from most angles, it looks pretty dang good. Man. Okay, so back here, as you saw in the video, okay, so one, this is not seen. Like, from this line over, not visible. It did bug me, though, when I took a paintbrush and just kind of went like that. So if you do kind of get a glimpse in there, it still looks like it covered. But that's not seen, so don't judge what I did with the paintbrush, just to fill you guys in. What I did forget to point out is how well the seam worked out. Like, that's the seam right there, guys. So you could tell up there where the seam is, but right there, I mean, that is insane. Oh, I guess you can kind of see it right there, but that part right there looks really good. So that actually worked better, and I didn't tape it down the center. What I wanted to let it do is just see how far over it'd go. I didn't think it was gonna perfectly land right on that curve, but that turned out really well. I sent him pictures of everything. He's pumped, so he's gonna freak out when he sees them all cleared. Those laid really well. So I'm getting pretty good, guys. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but ooh, right on. All right, guys, that's it for this video. As you may have noticed, that graphic is black, silver, and clear. So the red is what I painted, obviously. So we can do that graphic on a variety of different colors. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see more of. I guess that's it. I think they turned out sweet. I'm happy with them. Let me know what you guys think. As always, thank you for watching. I read all the comments. Let me know. See you next time, I guess.